Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account URL in Monday.com. That simply means that you can use that URL to actually view your profile. Now, to do that, you can simply click your account on the upper right hand side and go to administration. And under your profile section, you will see an account URL. It says web address. Now, it is currently generated by when you create your account. So, for example, if you're using a Google account to sign up with your Monday.com, it's going to pull that for the name and it's going to also pull that for your web address, right? These are changeable and you can change the name of your account and you can also change the web address, which is what we're focusing on. So let's say I want to change mine to not say one-on-one team, but I just want to say Drew tutorial. I can just go ahead and remove those and simply click and save changes. And you will see you get a pop-up right here, change account URL. I click on that and you can see here that it's going to refresh and my account URL will be changed. Now you will need to sign back in your account. So I'm going to just simply sign back into my account because I have my account with a Google account. So I'm going to just sign back right in. But once you sign back in, you will see now that your account URL actually changed. And you can see in the address bar at the top here that URL has changed. And that's how easy it is, guys, to change your Monday.com account URL. Very easy and very simple.